Welcome back. The Gospel Run 5K is next Saturday, starting off from 39th Street Beach. It's an opportunity to inspire yourself and others to be healthier. Today we're joined by Gospel Run founder Nyasha Niamafene and Ryan Yarl with Near North Health. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Morning.
All right, so you're the founder of the Gospel Run 5K.
Correct.
When did you start it? Why did you start it? How did it come about?
So this is actually our 10-year anniversary of the Gospel Run and the Gospel Run 5K, which is our signature event. And it started as a pilot event in 2013 from a group of marathon friends who wanted to bring the gift of endurance running to the South Side. And we wanted to do it in a way that was culturally resonant. And so we started with gospel music and a DJ, and it ignited a health movement from there. So it's served as a vehicle for many to change their health lives and move from sedentary to becoming active.
Started probably kind of small, and now it's just kind of grown over the years, correct? 10 years.
Yeah, 10 years. So we started with about 200 people, and pre-pandemic we were almost at 3,000. And we've developed partnerships with congregations across the region who have developed Gospel Run teams that train. So our largest Gospel Run team is about 500 people at one congregation.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, so it's a vehicle for year-round physical activity and support.
And Near North Health, obviously this is a natural partnership, I would think.
Absolutely. So we are super excited to be partnering with Gospel Run. We've been around since 1966 as a federally qualified health center providing primary care services, culturally competent primary care service, regardless of your ability to pay. So this fits right in with our theme of treating the entire person holistically with preventative measures like exercising and creating a more active lifestyle.
And you're going to be offering all sorts of things.
Absolutely. So we will be there providing health screening. So we will be providing HIV and AIDS testing, as well as ACA counseling, because Medicaid redetermination is still a big thing. We'll be there providing BMI, blood pressure, as well as your immunization, so flu and COVID vaccines.
That's great. And I think that it's just such a natural, running and inspiring people. And do you got to sing? Do you got to run? What, like the name of it.
Welcome to sing.
Right.
It is an epic music experience.
Yeah.
And so from the time you walk into the park, there's gospel music piping across the beach, and there's a gospel music pre-party, there's gospel music on the course, and then there's a live gospel concert after the race. And so it's really an amazing fellowship experience in a very supportive environment. And as we know, gospel music was created in Chicago, so it really celebrates all that Chicago has to offer.
And you have families that have been doing this since the get-go.
Absolutely. It's a very family-friendly event. So congregations do it together, families do it together, friend groups, book clubs, and for many it has been life-changing. And some have gone on to run marathons or just create a health tradition for their families for the first time.
And the people that you see, the people that you're hoping to get in screen, is it people of all ages?
Absolutely, yeah. So we're open for all services for all ages for this particular event.
Are you guys going to be running?
So we will have a team, actually.
You'll have a team.
I won't be running, but we will have a team of staff and employees and friends of staff that will be participating in this year's Gospel Run. So that's an added bonus to this event.
And for Near North Health, why is it so important to get involved with something that's been going, that's so community-based?
Absolutely. We are a community health center, and so we are really adamant about getting into the community and promoting that preventative screenings and lifestyles in order to help folks from getting from the emergency department. So that's really our goal as a community health center, is to encourage health education as well as provide primary care services.
I would assume appearances like this, being at things like this, helps normalize getting screenings, going to the doctor, being a little less timid about the whole situation.
Absolutely. We are trying to really take that stigma away from folks of coming to brick and mortar locations. If we're adamant about going to where you are and providing the needs where you are and being culturally competent at the same time.
All right, where can we find more information about the run?
www.gospelrun.com. Feel free to register. The event is 1 week from today.
All right, well, good luck. Hopefully it's not as hot.
We're going to have perfect weather.
Perfect. All right, thanks guys so much. We'll be right back.